like two spirits say.
Hello everyone, welcome again to the best Android apps of August 2020. This is the second addition to the monthly series. I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into it. Beginning with the apps that I've liked so far. Numero uno, Calm. Are you that person who has been clocking more hours while working from home? Or have been trying too hard to settle in with the home isolation? Well, this one's for you. This app gives a really good set of calm background music as well as some motivational speeches by amazing people. I constantly use this app during my code sprints and while I'm trying to read something. This app is free, but most of the features will require subscription. Feel free to try this one out. Who knows, maybe you'll eventually start writing better code. Next up, we have Overdrop. With the way weather is changing these days, a friendly, beautiful looking weather app is a must-have. And Overdrop fits the bill. The app is free with a super nice UI. It provides all the necessary details like temperature, wind speed, rain, and also provides nice historical graph. It also has a super dope feature called Weather Radar, as you can see in the screen, which looks super awesome. And the data is real time. Good app, must try. You may save yourself from drenching in unexpected rain. Coming at 3, it's Adobe Spark Post. Are you someone who is very social person or love to post every now and then you definitely require this app. This app comes with wide range of templates that can be used on the go. You can also create your own template. The editing is super easy and intuitive. You can easily level up your Instagram game in no time. It's free, so give it a try. You might actually impress your crush with some dope stories. In at 4 is called Shop. With the current pandemic scene, ordering basic needs from online has become a daily thing. Here's a beautiful looking tracking app called Shop. It can track shipments right away and give a really good visual information about your shipment in real time on the map. It supports international shipments from wide range of courier services. The UI is top notch and it's free. Might as well order something for me while you try this app. DM for address. Next comes Walnut. Now that you're buying things frequently, it becomes important to track your spendings, which is where Walnut comes into picture. The app can easily track all your spendings automatically. It can also provide pictorial graph and analysis of the spendings, be it the week or the month. You can also manually add spendings and categorize it based on the purchase made. So gone are the days where you use a diary to keep the track of all your monthly spendings. Give this a shot and maybe you'll stop spending thousands on Battle Pass every season. Finally, a wallpaper app called Wallrod. And like last time, if you haven't heard of it, then you're missing on a lot. And like last time, it has a very neat and organized collection of wallpapers, consisting of really good material walls. Setting wallpapers as home screen, lock screen, or both is very seamless. So check this app out. And while you're at it, if you're one of those who keep their own photo as wallpaper, well, moving on, let's look at some games. At numero uno, we have a game called Sky Children of the Light. This was suggested by one of my good friend in my last video. And boy, the visuals are just too damn stunning. Considering that most of us don't plan to go out anytime soon, we might as well explore the world in this game. The game takes open world physics to a whole new level. I don't want to say a lot because I want you guys to try it and get the immersive experience. I mean right now. And the next game is called Last Arrows. Wanna kill some time? Wanna be a professional archer? Check this out. The game has really fluid graphics and it's easy to use. And you thought it right. The game gets difficult as you progress. It's a pretty good game and easily kills your time. Please try it out. And the last game in the list is called Greyland Light. It's a game like Limbo but with its own twist. You keep moving and exploring the world with some challenges. A good game to pass time, the game has a very dark visual vibe and keeps you thinking. Let me know what you think about it. Coming to the final section of the video, the icon pack of the month. It's Foxbit. It's a paid icon pack, but boy does it deliver. The icon looks super good, it supports all the majorly used apps, and it comes with a neat set of wallpapers. I assure you that you won't regret buying it. That's all for this month. I will come back next month with a new set of apps. If you have any suggestions, please drop it in the comment section below. And as always, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. It takes a lot of effort to create one, so you better do it now. Thank you. Peace out.